Step into that reverse lunge. Here we go. Hold it tight. Press 1, 2, 3. You got this. Up for 4. Last one, 5. Let's switch legs. Take it back again. 90-90 with those knees. Press up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. Weight in the air. Flex those feet. Single leg down and down. Both legs carefully down and up. Again. Single leg down, down. Both legs down and up. Down, down. Both legs down and up. Almost there. Down, down. Both legs down. You got this. And up. Last time. Down, down. Hold that weight up. Last one. Both legs down and up. Plank position and tap, tap, down and up. Again. Tap, tap, down. Push it up. Tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down. Squeeze those glutes up. Tap, tap, and down. Bring it up, 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 up. Nice.